This free tutorial will guide you through on how to make an AI audio voice ghost effect in Capcut PC completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1, assuming you have Capcut PC open for your device and you have the video clip that you would like to transform into an AI ghost sound effect. This tutorial will guide you through on how to access. Again, you want to make sure you have audio on your video clip. If you don't know how to do that, you can simply right click and then click audio track and choose the audio track, or you can click extract audio. The next step is to click and highlight your audio track and then go to the top right hand screen and make sure that the audio tab next to video and speed is highlighted and selected. In this case, you might have to recover the audio. And then once opened up and loaded, you want to go to voice changer next to basic and click on voice characters next to voice filters. Now we have our original audio track right here. To access the cloud video, and basically to make this sound like a ghost, you want to scroll down and access the free Capcut AI voice feature, which says the following. Now there are a list of different ones that you can try. A lot of them are pro, but basically the free voice AI ghost feature is going to be as the following. Click Elfie, and as you can see, it's going to apply.
Use with the Telegram app completely for free. Step 1 on your PC laptop.
And now you've made your video or your audio track sound like a ghost in Capcut completely for free.